What's going on, everybody? Cheers, good morning. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur and I make videos almost every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. You either have came here from either a short that I've made or you found me in my recommended. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for my current subscribers that have been here since day one. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll put them up here. But those videos, I'm at like 160 videos, so it's a lot of videos, but if you can get through them, amazing, great. But yeah, so we're on like day 160 at this point. But I own a sticker business for the most part. That is my bread and butter. And I also have a new hat company called Coastal Cowboys. This is the one that I'm working on heavily right now on top of my sticker business. So guys, today we're going to be doing customer orders, possible FBA shipment, probably not because I have to do a lot of back end work on Coastal Cowboys. So we will be recording some of that, but have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. And at the very end of this video, we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. So cheers. Alright guys, so getting started here, I am actually using my white vinyl today. I have more coming in, so you see like I'm almost out of it. But yeah, I got some more coming in like 2 days, so be on the lookout for that. This took a long time. I was basically trying to find this design for a Dodge Dakota Sport Edition, and it took me absolutely forever to figure it out. But we're figuring it out here. It just took a little bit of time. But now we are setting up the rest of the cut files right now, and we're gonna get started on cutting this puppy out. Alright, now that we're done with that, we are going to de-weed the decals, which is basically taking apart the excess vinyl to show what I created. It is really hard to see because it is white, and that's why I usually don't make videos like this, because you can't really see what I'm doing, but hopefully you can. I am putting it in this video, so let me know in the comments below if you see it on your LCD screen, because I can kind of see it on mine. And now we're laying down some transfer paper, or tape you can call it, that will apply to the vehicle, and then will come off, peel away the decal onto the vehicle, and leave the tape separate. Alright guys, so I've been trying to figure out what to do with these Uline books, because I just recycle these because literally there's nothing else to do with these. I don't need it. I use the online catalog, but they send me a catalog and I'm like, what can I do with this? I don't like recycling these because I'm like, it's a waste of paper. Look, there's 1,000 pages in here. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna use this as packing paper. Let me know what else I could use this for, but I think packing paper would be perfect. I can literally, there's so many pieces of paper I can just rip in here, put in this box right now to secure the package. I don't know, let me know what you think. Alright, so we are adding that packing paper, being eco-friendly here and not just throwing it in the recycling bin. And now we are de-weeding these Kino stickers, which take absolutely forever. I don't know why I still sell these. I sell them for like $7, but it's still not even worth it in my opinion. It's just, I'm literally having to take pieces off and put them back on. So I highly don't recommend doing very small pieces with a cutter. Even if the cutter machine is good, it's just still a pain. Alright, so now we are starting with the black now, and I'm sure you're going to be able to see this because it is obvious it's black, it's not white, so you could probably see it a lot better. So you can really see what I'm doing here. It's still very intricate and it takes a long time. Then the decal after this one is very easy. I mean, it takes me seconds. You can compare this to this one right here. I mean, it was just way, way easier. Alright guys, so we are done with the reships and also vinyl decals that we had to get out today. So now let's run the stickers, get those into a sticker cut file, and then cut them out, print them, cut them out, and ship them. Alright, so going over here, we are cutting out laminate so we can put it on our sticker sheets that we just printed out. I decided not to make a sticker sheet video because people are saying my videos of time lapses are too long, so I totally understand that. So we are just laminating all of these sheets right now and cutting out all the stickers. So enjoy. Now that we are done with all of that, now let's go pack up these orders and get them shipped out to the customers. We did have a few more orders to get out that I forgot on my eBay store. So these are another Dodge Dakota 5.9 RT decals, which is super funny. We have a Dodge 4x4 sticker for an F, or for 1500. So it was super funny how that all worked out. I don't know why so many people bought Dodge decals over the weekend, but super amped on that. And yeah, got these last orders out. And now that we are done with this, guys, let's now go over yesterday's revenue and show you how much money that we made. All right, guys, so starting with Shopify, we made $39.98. We made $95.49 on eBay. We made $218.30 on Amazon. So a total of $354 was made yesterday in revenue. So a total this month, we made $12,332 total this month, guys. We didn't hit 15, but we were pretty dang close. I am just very blessed and very thankful for where I'm at, but we are trying to hit 30K. That is the point of making these videos. So if you guys do enjoy these videos, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you do enjoy these videos. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.